Good evening, everyone. Now we are going to understand the solution of this problem. It's coming recently in Codeforces round 1019. Our memory is over input section. So here we are given an array B, and this is a condition here. And this you can beat the problem here. You see the problem says that if in the given, like in the given array, the element of this index in index second will remove the first iteration. The element of index first will remove the third iteration. The element of index third will remove the second iteration. So you have to find the permutation of the array where this thing is applicable. Like in the permutation, if we apply both operation 1 and 2 sequentially, like one after another, then using this, then it will be after another. Then we get this right? The element that in the second we remove the first iteration. The last element will remove the second iteration like this. So basically, to solve the problem, we can think about recursion here. The recursion will not work here. This problem is solved by greedy approach. In the future, if we get any problem similarly, like you have to arrange a permutation or find a permutation, then most probably this have a greedy problem. There you have to arrange the given numbers just in a simple way, like you satisfy the criteria. So here in this problem, like let me understand that you sometimes understand solution. And basically in this problem we will declare two variable low and high. In the low we start with counter one and high we start with max and n. Uh, uh, like in the operation one we have to remove all the elements which are not local minimum. Means you have to remove all the elements which are not local minimum, which are like large elements. You can think like that. We have to remove all the elements which are large elements. Second operation we have to remove all the elements which are small elements like this. Okay. So this could we must go here. For example, we like we can take array like this. In the array fill 1 2 minus 1 3 2 1 1. Yeah, 2 1 1 6 here. I will tell you reason why. In this way, we have to arrange the family permutation. So we'll take two variable like low, get to one, and high equal to n. In the first like in the first operation, we will fill the index using high variable. Like we'll fill here high and decrease high by 1. And when we fill here high, decrease high by 1. Like the high we also fill by high, then decrease high by 1. Okay. Then in the sorry for the background noise. In the second operation, we will start filling with variable low, and we increase low by 1. And same for here, increase low 1. And third iteration, we again fill using high. Basically, the logic is like in this in permutation, we will fill using the 1 1 minus 1 1. So we start filling 1 by in the first option. We start filling high, increase high by 1. This will be 4. We again decrease high by 1, 3 2 1. And like similarly, and if we get like the first operation, we will fill using high. Second one we fill using low. Increase low by 1. Sorry, increase low by 1 plus 1. Third we will again use operation we will fill high. Fourth we will fill using low. Basically in a given array, where the element index is 1, we will fill sequentially high, like high, then decrease high by 1, and again fill high. In the second, where the second we will fill using low, and third we will fill using high. Fourth we will fill using low. We will go on. Simple solution of it, like but the edge case in it. And the last remaining element. This will the edge case. The last remaining element like 1 1 1. Last index, if you are, for example, you are at the third iteration, and with the last index of the remaining array, when like we have sequentially done first and second operation, we are going in third operation. Then the remaining third and in any elements which are third or greater than third, the last index is third element, then we will have to reverse the last continuous subarray. For example, here the VFL using high 76542. But the problem is that in the first operation we have to remove all the elements which are not local minima. At the last element they become local minima. So you have to do something to remove so that it remove the first iteration, it will not become local minima. So that we reverse the last subarray. For example, if we get the 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. So we will fill like here we will fill 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. We fill it 8 here and 7, then 6, and 5. We fill it to 1, minus 1 will be at the end 1, 2, and 3. So here this 2 block is the last index, is the last part of the array. So we have to reverse it 3, 2. Okay. But if at the end we have something like 1, then also we have to reverse it. That's because it is the last remaining block. We have done the first iteration, so we will not count this. It's still there. If at the end we have 1, then still we have to reverse the block because we have already used the one iteration here or one iteration here. But at the end, if we get number like 3, 4, some number greater than 2, then we don't need to reverse the array. We can we can normally put here 2 in 3. We don't need to reverse the array. Okay. So hope you understand logic. Then if you have any problem, then you can ask me in comment section. And the code is here. Basically in the code I don't have available. Find the number of maximum iteration. I trace one by one. Then and here I am checking. And for example, like this is array given 3 3 1 1 2 3. And so that I am checking if in the between I found elements like lesson implementation, like if I found the element like 1 1 2, then still the given three elements are in continuous manner. It is important. Like first I come in first iteration, then I come in second iteration, and the third iteration. In third iteration, these three elements will be removed. Okay, so I have to keep a check that these 3 3 3 are in a single subarray, single block. So to keep check, I am using this if else condition. You can try by yourself, and then same thing here to reverse the last remaining index, last remaining subarray, the element the last remaining index of the given array. That with the result. You can ask me any problem if you have in the comment section. Thank you.